Mika Abisamis.
Contrasting.
Aniban, no numbers for San Juan.
Orlan Wamar.
Wamar for 3, yes sir! As well on the stick back. Still nothing yet going here for Abra. Panganiban will force it. Panganiban will score.
That's a switch.
Talio, tough shot, hand in the face, still
Hirap
no goal.
And there's Kalisaan already.
Kalisaan, the easiest 2 points of the night there for Mike Kalisaan. Up 9-0 here. You look at the field goal story. 0 out of 10 for Abra. 3 out of 5 for San Juan. That changes right now with a 3-point. Talio takes the 3. Wala pa rin. Sumang offensive rebound.
Yeah, second already in this game.
Bringas gets the bounce on the shot. Challenge for Mac Talio tonight. Here he is once again, leading in. Right hand finish, finally. Nakabutas si Mac Talio.
Imagine yung second group front line mo, ganyan pa rin.
Zach Wang, who has been impressive in this 4 game. 7, Wamar, what will he do? Hugnatan, he has that. Masyado malakas.
Look at Zach Wang.
Zach Wang, the scavenger that he is. Mika Med.
Kasi matcha-challenge talaga siya eh. He needs to perform.
Soberano gets a step on Comboy, leaves it Mike Kiss for 2 points. Battle for the loose ball ends up with Marwin Taiwan. Yeah, Soberano,
oh my God,
all alone for 3. Nothing but nylon for AC Soberano. Here at the Phil Oil Eco Oil Center in San Juan City. Javi Palanya joined by Coach Louie Gonzalez and Miss Mika Abisamis.
Effective yan. Unlike itong San Juan na you know na already na team na talaga eh.
We've already seen that, Coach, early on in this season as Zach Wang, Kasinan and Marikina as well as Negros. But there are other games, Coach, nakikita talaga yung lack of cohesion still. Soberano puts the ball on the deck, has Faundo in front of him, floats it up, difficult jumper, one-legged. Missing shots, he's just really comfortable, he lets the game come to him right now as Reynel Hugnatan.
Compared dito sa efficiency ng San Juan na 10 out of 20.
Zach Wang this time beyond the arc, no problem. Maba pa nga yan after the miss earlier of Roy Sumang. In that game against Caloocan, they only shot 28% as Bringas finally breaks.
Si Galinato, hindi siya masyado nakakuha ng much playing time, playing for the National University Bulldogs.
To San Juan, he accepted his role and he's been thriving in it ever since. GP Paunan hands it off to Galinato. Galinato, a little shove on Sumang, drains the jumper.
Load. Itong si Jonathan Hernandez. Paulo Hernandez, sorry.
Paulo Hernandez. Arvid Camboa is also one of those guys. Fourth year, both teams turning the ball over. Galinato attacking J.R. Chavez. Galinato, the basket plus the foul.
Nire-replicate lang nila yung binigay nilang output dito sa Abra in that first.
That ball stolen from him as well. Galinato outside Wamar.
This is gonna be big.
Set fire splash. Curry on that one. Tumalikod na agad. But Clites Camis answering with a 3-pointer. Boa.
Great effort there by Pablo.
Can the Weavers complete the steal? Yes, they do. Camis has Comboy ahead. Comboy goes hard. Comboy will score.
Abra ngayon.
5 points in the game for the former FEU Tamarao. Omar turns the corner. Pass. Kalisaan off the bank. After the adjustment, no good. The pitch out. Kalisaan. He too will hang, but he will score. Ever so quickly. 48-31. Gamboa. Just everybody really.
Imagine 50 first half points.
May chance bang dumagdag yan. Kalisaan makes it 52. Si George Magsino as well as our operations chief, Emer Oreta. Now beginning second quarter action here. John Recto. Doesn't use the screen, goes to the corner. Tolentino, not really known as an offensive threat, gives it back. Talio from the outside, rattles it home.
Oo, what a stabby yung tiwalang ibinibigay niya dito sa mga players niya.
Oh, Tolentino, that was a beautiful move, but good thing GP Paundo was there.
With a push.
AJ Miranda did not play in the first half, but you know that he's always going to be ready without the basketball. Now it's San Juan on the run. Wamar, catch, shot fake, fire, money for Orlan Wamar. Para dito sa San Juan. Well, this is now the biggest lead of the game. Our tall guy who can shoot from the outside. Talio gets the continuation. Miranda trying to cage Talio. That's a dangerous pass. Gamboa still finds a way to get it and score it.
Alam mo yun?
Talio through two screens. Talio, Pinoy step. Walang Chavez right now. Able to knock it down from the perimeter.
May bagong team pa lang itong Abra.
Gamboa gets it against a smaller Tolentino. Gamboa on the up and under.
Against Arvin. You know, his maturity and watching him now, a lot more mature. I think ito yung
Abra is 5 out of 18. Miranda kicks it out. Gamboa, can he stay hot? Yes, he does. Up in college with UP. Spent a couple of years with us. Sobrang iba na talaga siya ngayon. You know, he was so shy. Comboy to the hard show. Gives it out to Bringas. Chavez from the outside. Chavez is sizzling right now for Abra. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Malonzo has his camis on him. He has the height advantage. Malonzo, soft touch. He's gone through thousands of those. Oh, what a low-look pass inside. Wamar to Calisan.
Sa akin, in one word, the way San Juan plays right now, connection.
And it starts with the point guard. Calisan.
Again, he will attack this.
Malonzo, mismatch once again. Malonzo scores off the bank. He started this ball game. Escamis from the outside. Escamis swishes it through. Differential between shot clock and game clock. Hugnatan able to recover. Soberano, catch, shoot, fire, score. Far in this game. AC still with the basketball. Lobs it inside. Hugnatan decides to kick it back out. Zach Wang continues to remain immaculate.
Ang ganyan Hugnatan. Again, yung parang statue of patience, you know?
Here, game continues to just slow down para sa kanya and in a good way. Zach Wang, almost perfect yun. Ang taas nun. At bahagya lang bumababa dito, coach, as JR Chavez connects from the outside. Taiwan onto the left side. Soberano attacks middle, floats it up, gets it in. 2 points more for AC Soberano.
And you know, that's the best way, especially if you're trailing, to get points. Alam mo yun, kasi hindi umaandar yung oras eh.
Chavez, he has been excellent here in the second half and he continues to be. 18 points.
Giant lanterns in terms of winning streak.
Zach Wang adding to their total with 12 points, 2 rebounds, a couple of steals. He's 3 out of 5 now from the line. GP Paundo once again with the offensive rebound. Paundo gets the stick back to go. But definitely still something that you have to work on. On the other side, San Juan for the Knights. Everybody from player 1 to 15. Mactalio connecting from the outside. Pangasinan victory by double digits. They won against Marikina by 28. Iloilo by the same margin. Sarangani by 15.
So that there's still a lot of work to be done. And again, mahaba pa yung season natin.
They faced Pangasinan, Marikina, Pasay, Biñan. Kaso abuti tayo ng siyam-siyam kaka-interview eh.
Okay, Mactalio made his first back-to-back three-pointer already. So, again, bright spot. Sa akin, bright spot lang yung tinitignan ko dito sa team na to. Kasi sa ngayon, ang mabigat pa dito, though nakabalik si Mac Talio, you're missing naman Michael Cañete, JLC.